trying my best, didn't know what I wanted. Never looked up, never was enough, wishing I could be something. Thunder and rain, losing my way, only made me so higher. Taking my shot, all that I got, setting my soul on fire. There's only one thing I know, the best is yet to come. Are you ready or not? Ready or not? Are you ready or not? The best is yet to come. Are you ready or not? Ready or not? Are you ready or not?
This is the time wherein the children go for different camps. So he goes early in the morning at 5 for swimming, but he still has the energy to come here and take up the responsibilities and like give his best for all the other extracurriculars. So that is one of his things that which he has learned from here.
Especially my daughter, she's kind of very reserved by nature. But the validation of the good work that you're doing is from the fact that she looks forward to coming every morning. And the day when she misses, like she gets up at 8:55, for example, someday, she was sick, right? And she was so upset, very disappointed that I'm missing out this time. She's never shown this excitement for her schools also.
और वो जाकर बोलता है ये मैडम ने हमको ये सिखाया, ये मैडम ने हमको ये सिखाया, और अभी तो बहुत सभी के साथ खेलता है, गीत भी गाता है, डांस भी करता है, सब कुछ करता है।
I am twinkling Trisha. I am charming Chitransh. I am dashing Navya. I am marvelous Philip. Moody Muna. I am Moody Muna.
The best is yet to come.